In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a WordPress blog in 2024, and the best part is you can do it in just 5 minutes. If you've ever wanted to share your thoughts, experiences, or expertise with the world, creating a WordPress blog is a great way to start. Let's walk through this quick and simple process together. First, head over to wordpress.com. It's the central hub where we'll create and manage your new blog. When you arrive at the site, you'll see a login button typically located towards the top right. Go ahead and click that. If you're not already signed into a WordPress account, you'll be prompted to do so. Now, instead of entering a username or email manually, simply click on Continue with Google. This is a great feature that streamlines the sign-in process, making it quicker and easier, especially if you're using your Google account on a regular basis. From there, select the Google account you'd like to associate with your WordPress blog. This connection not only saves time now, but can simplify logins in the future. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the homepage dashboard of your account. Look to the right panel under Quick Links, and you'll see an option to Edit Site. Give that a click and it will take you to the site editor where you can begin building your blog. Inside the site editor, you'll notice a plus icon which is used to add new elements to your site. Clicking this icon will bring up a search bar. Go ahead and type the word blog into this search field. This makes locating the blog setup options much smoother and helps you find exactly what you need without wading through other elements. A list of options will appear, and from there click on blog posts. This is your main section for adding and managing the content you want to share with your audience. Once you're in the blog post area, it's time to get creative. Add engaging content to your blog, whether it's opinion pieces, stories, or even informative articles. Your imagination is the only limit here. After adding your content, remember to save your work. Find the save button for your page or post and click it. This ensures that all the hard work and care you've put into your creation is securely stored. Now your blog is live, ready for the world to see. In just these few steps, you've created a WordPress blog ready to showcase your unique voice to the global online community. Start blogging today and use this platform to inspire, inform, or entertain. Thanks for following along, and happy blogging!